Morning, students. I Nilam here. Today I am going to teach you about life skills. Today my topic is successful life. So let's learn how we can make our life a successful life. Okay, this is chapter number 14. An online world where users have the mechanisms in place to transact any business or personal activity as easily and freely as they can transact them in the physical world. Given below are some important points which can help you to reach your goal. I think you are all having one of your goal in life. Yes, is it so? Everyone has goal in his or her life. So first of all, there are some important points which can help you to reach your goals. So first, have a definite objective. Having a definite objective provides a vision, purpose and goal of what you want to achieve. Being aimless in life leads you nowhere. Everyone should have aim in his or her life. Then draw up a plan. Drawing up a plan provides a base to your objective and helps in fulfilling your plan. Okay, then after having a definite objective, definite aim, next step is you have to draw up a plan that will give base to your objective and will help in fulfilling your plan. Then take a decision. आपको क्या करना है? डिसीजन भी लेना है, डिसाइड भी करना है. Be resolute, plan and focus on the activities which are right. It will help you to achieve your goals. Then motivate yourself. Your parents also motivate you, but you have to motivate yourself also. Motivate yourself and organize your daily routine. For that, your daily routine should be organized very well. Develop enthusiasm. You should be very energetic for doing every task. Okay, develop enthusiasm for every task you undertake. It is the main driving force that will help you to achieve your goals. Okay, your teachers, your parents, your colleagues always motivate you. Develop enthusiasm for every task you undertake. It is the main driving force that will help you to achieve your goals. Then think positive. Think positive. Be positive. And the result will be positive. You should think positively. Okay? कि you can do. हाँ, मैं ये काम कर सकता हूँ. I can do. Don't be discouraged. Okay? Have confidence in yourself and try to think positively. Okay? Then have confidence in yourself. Give your best in everything that you do. Don't hide your talents. If you are the best in doing something, you should give your best in everything that you do. Bear in mind, always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any one thing. Okay? You should bear in mind कि your own resolution to succeed is very important. Then secret of success, very important point. A great secret of success is to go through life as a man who never gets used up. Then success on your terms. If your success is not on your own terms, if it looks good to the world but does not feel good in your heart, it is not success at all. If you feel happy, if you feel good in your heart, then it's a true meaning of success. If your success is not on your own terms, if it looks good to the world but doesn't feel good in your heart, then it is not success at all. Then success is necessary. It is must. Success is the necessary misfortune of life. But it is only to the very unfortunate that it comes early. Then success is possible. It is possible to fail in many ways, while to succeed is possible only in one way. Then no formula for success. No formula for success except perhaps an unconditional acceptance of life and what it brings. Then appearance of success. Nothing succeeds like the appearance of success. Then real success. Real success is finding your life work in the work that you love. So by following these important points on success for your successful life, here for successful life you can get success in achieving your goal in life. So first of all, have faith in yourself, have confidence in yourself, okay? And motivation is also very compulsory, okay? For that you will be confident and motivate yourself, and all these are the points, important points which will help you to reach your goal. Points: have a definite objective, draw up a plan, take a decision, motivate yourself, think positive, have confidence in yourself. Bear in mind, secret of success, success on your terms. Success is necessary, success is possible, no formula for success, appearance of success and real success, okay? Okay. So stay alert, stay healthy, stay alert, stay healthy, and take proper care of yourself. God bless you. Thank you and have a nice day.